Morning everyone. I am barefaced as you can see, and I don't like going out with mask and makeup, but basically today is Sunday and it is the 18th of April. We are off to a picnic and I thought of vlogging and taking you guys with us. If you like this week's vlog, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna put on my sunglasses, my mask, let go. So hi, today is Saturday and it is 24th of April. So basically I've been really bad with weekly vlogs, but yes, so far all you've seen is when I actually went to a picnic, went to Busquets, and we really prepared like some sandwiches with like chives and cream cheese and salmon, and then we did deviled eggs, and then we also did some rice. Luke's mom knows how to do a really nice rice salad, and then we got some donuts as well and some like snacks as well, and we really enjoyed it. We started playing Uno. It was something nice, and basically I need to appreciate the weekends because I mostly have weekends inside due to Gestalt. In fact, this weekend is a Gestalt weekend, but then next week I don't have Gestalt as well, and even the week after, so I need to work on my assignments. One is nearly ready. Now I need to start another one. I'm actually reading this book. The topic that we have now for our next assignment and exam is psychopathology, and I really love it. So yes, it's very interesting to be finding out obviously how Gestalt therapy work with like mental health disorders and stuff like that. Because if you didn't know, I'm a psychologist to be. I'm still a psychology practitioner, and I'm also studying to become a psychotherapist as well. So yeah, right now I'm like, I need to actually prepare some stuff for my next supervision session to get my psychologist warrant. So I just wanted to say hi. I filmed a video this morning as well before my Gestalt is finished now, and I started reading like I told you guys. And now tonight I'm going to go to Luke's. He's going to make me aglio olio, which is like one of my favorite dishes that he does. And then we're going to also bake a cake. So maybe I'll like take some stuff as well while I'm baking the cake. Like this week's vlog? Give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. Hi everyone from Luke's kitchen. We're going to be baking a cake, and I thought of vlogging this. We're going to bake basically a very simple cake. It's of Betty Crocker. It's this one, the Rainbow Chip Party Cake Mix. I'm so excited. First, we're going to add 3 eggs, and we're going to actually whisk them separately. So. How much?
180 should fit in that.
I'm going to mix the egg with the milk. No tablespoon. And then we need the oil. Now we're going to put 90 milliliters of vegetable oil.
Okay.
And now he's going to add the cake mix. Now for the cake to go into the tin. So it's time to put in the cake. 180 degrees Celsius oven for 20 minutes. 25 minutes, sorry. Hi everyone, it is Sunday today and it is the 25th of April already. Oh my god, again, we're at the end of another month. Can you believe it, guys? So basically, I'll just fill you in what happened yesterday. It made me spaghetti with aglio olio and I was too hungry and I didn't take a clip of it because aglio olio is fantastic. I absolutely adore it. So I just ate. And then he got me like a donut as well and I had that. And then we started making the cake and sort of we put it in the oven and that's still where I got. And then two friends of ours came to say hello and we just, went and said hello. And then we didn't actually use the vanilla icing because then we gave them a piece and yeah, we just leave the vanilla icing now for another cake basically. So that is why the cake remained bare, but it was really, really good. And then this morning we went to see the sunrise because it's something that we love doing now, especially when I have a Gestalt weekend and sort of the whole day would be dedicated to Gestalt. So like this, at least we spent some time together in the morning and we went to see the sunrise again and it was really, really beautiful. And now I came home, I filmed a video, I filmed this look. And now I'm going to start editing this week's vlog because in an hour's time, hopefully I finish it in an hour, probably not. In an hour's time, I start obviously my Gestalt lecture. So that's basically it. I don't know what I want to tell you guys anymore. Oh my goodness, like this week's vlog, I am so sorry if it's like boring, but at least I went to the picnic, we had sunrise, we did a cake, so some exciting stuff. Our things with you all, especially with regards like to the pandemic and all that stuff. Over here in Malta, the schools have reopened I think 2 weeks ago. And on Monday, the shops will reopen after 5 weeks of being closed. So like non-essential shops, like clothes shops, makeup shops, hairdressers. I have an appointment in mid-May to do my hair. I cannot wait because I cannot stand my hair like this. And then in mid-May, the restaurants should be reopening because our restaurants are still not open. So I'm really excited, obviously, for the restaurants to be open again. I just miss socializing. Like that is something that has been taken away. So hopefully we'll have a good summer. So we will see. So far, I don't know how it is in your country, but in Malta, to go to the beach, you kind of have to go with a mask and then you remove your mask when you go swim. And then when you come out of the sea, you have to put on your mask again. So I don't know how that's going to work. I hope that, this pandemic thing starts to decrease and we can go back to our normality because it does get tiring. And yeah, and I guess more people are being vaccinated now. I've had my vaccine because I work at a hospital. I'm just excited now to just, I don't know, even travel. I want to go to Sicily because Sicily, a Primark opened there. Not only for Primark, but Sicily is pretty. But I guess, there's that. And I want to go to England. I've always wanted to go to Brighton or Paris. I've never been to Paris. I want to go there. Or Greece. Greece would be a nice summer holiday. I don't know. I guess I want to do all these things, but obviously everything had to be put on hold just like everyone else. So like I was okay last year. I think in the first lockdown I was fine, but now it came to a point where I'm like tired of it because all I do is work, Gestalt, and then thank goodness I have KezziesCorner and thank goodness I have you all. Thank you so much for being here, for being part of my corner. It really means a lot to me because it gives me quite a lot back, It gives me a purpose and I just love sitting here and I can just, put on my camera and start recording because for me, that is what makes me happy. So, like, thank goodness I have this. But I guess obviously sometimes you need to break a bit of your routine and do something different. Like, example, going out with your friends or going having a drink. Or I haven't drank in so long. Not that I used to drink that much, but still, it's something like that's missing. I mean, we've just, started enjoying nature more and like these natural things that we find in our country, which is good. Don't get me wrong, it's very good and healthy. But at the same time, how many times are we gonna do it? You know what I mean? So yeah, I just hope that obviously things start recuperating again. Yeah, I hope you're all taking care, guys. Sending many hugs to you all. We're all in this together. So, no other person is free from this. We're all going through it together. Just keep taking care and doing your bit because that is the most important thing. Follow what precautions that are in your countries because that is important. In Malta, we have to wear a mask everywhere we go. Last year, it wasn't like this, but this, like, ever since, I think, October, I think it was put out that the mask has to be worn 24/7. Only when you're going to eat or drink or go for a swim that you take it off, but the rest has to be worn. So yeah, and like I don't like putting on makeup anymore when I go out, because knowing that I have a mask on is just, it's not good for my skin. So yeah, I just miss just, you know, getting dressed and, you know, going out. I mean, I've been doing that only for photos on Instagram and that's it. And even now, I think later on, probably I'll tell Luke, let's go take a photo because I have a nice outfit on and a nice look. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go now because I need to start editing this vlog. I'll see you guys next week. Next week will be another braces update because I will be 9 months with my braces, and I'll show you like a before and after photo as well of like the difference. But yeah, so that will be next week's video. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. I love you all. I hope you're all taking care. I hope you all have a lovely Sunday, and I'll see you guys in my next video.